Functions in simple words. Beginner level. Introduction. In programming, functions help organize code and make programs easier to write and understand. A function is a block of code that performs a specific task. Instead of writing the same code many times, programmers create a function and reuse it whenever needed. Functions are used in almost every program, including games, websites, mobile apps, automation scripts, data analysis programs. Learning functions helps beginners write cleaner, shorter, and more organized code. What is a function? A function is a reusable block of code that performs a specific task. In simple words, function equals a small machine that takes input, does some work, and produces output. Basic idea. Input means function means output. Functions help break large programs into smaller, manageable parts. Real-life example. Imagine a juice machine. You put fruits into the machine. Fruit means juice, machine means juice. The machine processes the fruit and produces juice. Functions work the same way in programming. They take input, perform operations, and produce output. Simple example. Python. Example function. Def greet. Print. Hello. Quote. Greet. Output. Hello. Explanation. Def greet creates a function. Greet calls the function. The function prints hello. Why functions are useful. Functions help programmers reuse code, avoid repetition, organize programs, simplify complex tasks. Without functions, programs would become very long and difficult to manage. Example without functions. Print. Hello, Alice. Print. Hello, Bob. Print. Hello, Charlie. This repeats the same logic. Example using a function. Def greet. Name. Print. Hello. Name. Greet. Alice. Greet. Bob. Greet. Charlie. Output. Hello Alice. Hello Bob. Hello Charlie. The function reuses the same code with different input values. Functions with input. Parameters. Functions can accept input values called parameters. Example. Def add. A. B. Print. A plus B. Add. 5. 3. Output. 8. Here, A and B are parameters. The function adds the numbers. Functions with return values. Functions can also return results. Example. Def add. A. B. Return A plus B. Result equals add. 5. 3. Print. Result. Output. 8. The function calculates the result and returns it. Real-life example 1. Calculator. A calculator performs operations like addition. Example. Def add. A. B. Return A plus B. This function behaves like the addition button on a calculator. Real-life example 2. Alarm clock. An alarm clock wakes you up every morning. Instead of setting the alarm repeatedly, you set it once. Similarly, functions allow programmers to define a task once and use it many times. Real-life example 3. Coffee machine. Imagine a coffee machine. Steps. Press button means machine makes coffee means coffee ready. Programming version. Def make underscore coffee. Print. Coffee ready. Quote. Calling the function performs the task. Types of functions. Functions usually fall into two categories. Built-in functions. These are provided by the programming language. Example in Python. Print. Hello. Len. Python. User-defined functions. Functions created by programmers. Example. Def say underscore hello. Print. Hello. Quote. Breaking a program into functions. Large programs are often divided into multiple functions. Example. Def login. Print. User logged in. Def show underscore dashboard. Print. Dashboard opened. Login. Show underscore dashboard. This structure keeps programs organized. Common beginner mistakes. Beginners sometimes make mistakes with functions. Crossmark forgetting to call the function. Def greet. Print. Hello. The function is defined but never executed. Correct. Greet. Crossmark forgetting return values. Def add. A. B. A plus B. Correct. Return A plus B. Real life analogy. Functions are like recipes in a cookbook. A recipe tells you how to make a dish. Whenever you want the dish, you follow the recipe. Similarly, a function defines a task that can be used again and again. Concepts learned from functions. Understanding functions helps beginners learn. Checkmark code reuse. Checkmark program organization. Checkmark modular programming. Checkmark problem solving. Checkmark logical thinking. Functions are one of the most important building blocks of programming. Where functions are used. Functions are used everywhere in programming, including web applications, mobile apps, game development, artificial intelligence, automation tools. Most large programs are built using many small functions working together. Simple definition. Function. A reusable block of code that performs a specific task. Final summary. Functions help programmers organize code and reuse logic. They allow programs to perform tasks, accept input, produce results, avoid repetition. By using functions, programmers can write cleaner, more efficient, and easier to maintain programs. Learning functions is a major step toward writing real-world software.